Hi! In front of me is OPPO RENO 5Z, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this OPPO. Firstly, open Settings. Now scroll down just a bit and click on Password and Security. Following that, you need to click on Lockscreen Password and wait 5 seconds. Then choose Continue in this pop-up. Following that, tap on the best type of login method for you. I will go with pattern. You can always change it by clicking on Use a different password type and clicking on any other one from here. I will stick with my pattern though. Then enter a login method and repeat it. After that, you can also choose Add in this pop-up to add your fingerprint right away. I don't want to, so I will go with Cancel. And now, when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, as you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!